Okay, some of you may have heard of the Baby Shark doo-doo song. So I'm a songwriter, and I thought, I should write a song about Megalodon. So I wrote a Megalodon jingle. So here we go. Who's the shark that makes us run? Megalodon, Megalodon. Swimming with him ain't no fun. Megalodon, Megalodon. Teeth so big and wide and sharp. This here ain't no wimpy carp. He's one crazy extinct shark. Megalodon. Yeah, that was pretty bad. So you're looking at a Megalodon tooth there, which that must be one of the largest ones ever found. We'll see some more stuff about Megalodon here. Let me put this guitar down.